Welcome. In front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on your PC. To do that, you can either click on the speaker icon and then use the slider to either decrease or increase the volume of your speaker. And the other way to do that is by using the function keys of your device. To enable the function keys, you have to use the FN button and FN lock combination. But if your FN button is lit up, that means that the FN lock is enabled and we actually want to disable it. And so once we disable it, we can use the F6 button to decrease the volume and F7 button to increase it, and the F5 button will turn the volume off and on again if we press it again. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.